Ever looked at a bottle of sunflower oil and wondered how something that starts as a bright yellow flower ends up as a clear golden liquid on your kitchen shelf? What happens to the seeds after harvest? And how do factories extract oil so cleanly that it can handle high heat, taste neutral, and stay stable for months? Today, we're going step by step through the whole industrial journey, from sunflower fields to high-tech oil plants. By the end of this video, you'll never look at cooking oil the same way again. Subscribe to AgriLine Factory for more fascinating factory tours and behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday products are made. 1. Harvesting and raw seed intake. What if the quality of your cooking oil is decided months before it ever reaches a factory? The journey of sunflower oil begins in vast golden fields when sunflowers reach peak maturity and their seed heads naturally dry. Farmers use combines to cut the heads and separate seeds from plant material with precision timing. Harvesting too early reduces oil content, while harvesting too late risks weather damage and quality loss. Once collected, seeds are transported in bulk to storage facilities where moisture levels are carefully tested. If moisture is too high, controlled drying systems reduce it to prevent mold and spoilage. When seeds arrive at the factory, trucks are weighed, sampled, and tested for oil content, contamination, and freshness. Only approved loads receive batch numbers for full traceability. The seeds are then stored in large silos with controlled airflow and temperature, protecting their stability until processing begins. 2. Cleaning and dehulling. Ever wondered how factories turn dusty farm seeds into pure oil-ready kernels? Before oil extraction begins, sunflower seeds pass through advanced cleaning systems designed to remove every unwanted particle. Vibrating screens separate larger debris, air aspirators remove dust and lightweight materials, magnets capture metal fragments, and stone separators eliminate heavy impurities. This protects sensitive equipment and ensures oil purity. After cleaning, the seeds enter dehulling machines that crack the outer shells, known as hulls. Airflow systems then separate the lighter hulls from the heavier kernels. Removing hulls increases oil concentration and reduces unwanted color and wax content. Some plants partially dehull depending on product goals, balancing cost and efficiency. Hulls are not wasted. They are often reused as biomass fuel, livestock feed, or fiber materials. The clean, oil-rich kernels now move forward, ready for conditioning and crushing. 3. Conditioning and flaking. What if a few degrees of heat could change the flavor and yield of your oil forever? Conditioning is where science meets precision. The cleaned kernels are gently heated in temperature-controlled cookers, while moisture levels are carefully adjusted. This softens the oil-bearing cells inside the kernels, preparing them for efficient extraction. Too little heat reduces yield, while excessive heat can damage flavor and color. Sensors and automated systems constantly monitor temperature and moisture to maintain a perfect balance. After conditioning, the kernels pass through flaking rollers that flatten them into thin sheets. This increases surface area and breaks down cell walls, allowing oil to flow more easily during pressing. Flake thickness is precisely controlled. Too thick traps oil, too thin creates handling problems. Although flaking appears simple, it plays a crucial role in maximizing oil recovery and maintaining consistent processing performance. 4. Pressing and solvent extraction. How do factories squeeze oil from a tiny seed with almost nothing left behind? The prepared flakes enter powerful screw presses that apply intense mechanical pressure. This process extracts crude sunflower oil while leaving behind solid press cake. The crude oil contains fine particles, pigments, and natural compounds that must later be refined. In smaller facilities, press cake may be used directly as protein-rich animal feed. However, in large-scale plants, the press cake moves to solvent extraction. Here, a food-grade solvent, commonly hexane, dissolves remaining oil from the solids. The solvent is then carefully recovered and reused in a tightly controlled system, improving efficiency and reducing waste. This combined pressing and extraction process ensures maximum oil yield while producing a valuable low-fat meal used in animal nutrition industries. 5. Refining. What if the oil you see on shelves goes through multiple invisible purification stages first? Crude sunflower oil cannot be bottled immediately. It first passes through clarification systems such as settling tanks, centrifuges or filters that remove suspended solids. Refining begins with degumming, where water or mild acids separate phospholipids and gummy materials, improving clarity and stability. These gums are often processed into lecithin for food and supplement use. Next comes neutralisation, where an alkaline solution removes free fatty acids responsible for off flavors. After washing and drying, bleaching earth or activated clay absorbs remaining pigments and impurities. Despite the name, no chemical bleach is used. This is a physical purification step. Finally, deodorisation heats the oil under vacuum, while steam strips away odors and volatile compounds, creating the mild, neutral oil consumers expect. 6. Winterisation and quality assurance. How does sunflower oil stay crystal clear and safe from the bottle to the kitchen? Some sunflower oils undergo winterisation, a chilling process that removes natural waxes that could cause cloudiness at lower temperatures. The oil is cooled so waxes crystallize and are filtered out, ensuring clarity on store shelves. Throughout every stage of production, laboratory teams conduct strict quality testing. Samples are analyzed for acidity, peroxide levels, moisture, color, and overall purity. Each batch is documented and traceable back to its original seed shipment. Advanced monitoring systems ensure the oil meets food safety standards and performs consistently in cooking and food manufacturing. Only after passing all tests is the refined oil packaged, sealed, and distributed, ready to move from factory to supermarket shelf with guaranteed quality and safety. Packaging. What if one loose cap could ruin thousands of liters of perfectly refined oil in seconds? Once the oil is fully refined and approved, it moves to bottling lines. Bottles are cleaned, filled, capped, and labeled at high speed. Some sunflower oil is also packed in large containers for restaurants and food factories. Automated systems check fill levels, cap seals, and label accuracy. Finished bottles are packed into cartons, stacked onto pallets, and wrapped for transport. Shipping worldwide. What if a single bottle of sunflower oil travels thousands of miles before reaching your kitchen? Finally, pallets are stored in warehouses protected from heat and sunlight, which can degrade oil quality. Orders are prepared for supermarkets, distributors, and export shipments. Trucks and shipping containers move sunflower oil across countries and continents, delivering the final product to kitchens worldwide. What began as seeds inside a sunflower head becomes a refined cooking oil that can handle heat, stay stable, and deliver consistent quality. And that's how billions of sunflowers become cooking oil, from field harvest to refined bottles. It's a process driven by precision, hygiene, and constant quality control. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.